Ananya. Welcome to Novira Designs. Welcome to day 6 of 7 days 7 crafts from Just a Pipe Cleaner. So today I am making cute little flower pot from a pipe cleaner. So are you guys ready? Let's go. Let's start with the pot because this is the foundation of everything. I take a paper cup, any size paper cup is works. Now I take my brown pipe cleaner and I start wrapping them around the outside of paper cup. Starting from the bottom, going row by row upwards. Each row of brown pipe cleaner right next to the previous one. No gaps. This wrapping covers the entire outside of the paper cup with so beautiful textured round pipe cleaner. It looks just like a real terracotta pot. From a plain paper cup to a beautiful brown flower pot in just few minutes. I added a green pipe cleaner to the center of the pot. Now the most important part, the daisy flowers. I take my white pipe cleaners and I cut them into equal smaller pieces. Each piece become one petal. I fold each piece into a long oval loop, pinching at the bottom, like this. I make many petals. Now the yellow center. I take yellow pipe cleaner and coil it tightly in the center. Round and round, getting tighter in the middle. This creates that perfect round yellow daisy center. I attach it right in the middle of the white petals with glue. And look at this daisy. Is this not the most beautiful thing have ever seen? 2 layers of white petals with bright yellow center. Now the green leaves. These really complete the whole look. I take my green pipe cleaner and I shape them into a long leaf shapes, pressing them flat and bending them slightly for that natural leaf curve. I place them around the base of the flower. Now, the most exciting step, putting it all together. I take my brown pot, add a little glue at the top opening. I place my daisy flower, pushing the twisted stem into the green base. The flower stands up perfectly in the pot. Now I arrange the green leaves around the flowers. I made 2 more flower pots with the different flowers. And here are all 3 together. So that's it for day 6 of 7 days 7 crafts from Pipe Cleaner Challenge. And tomorrow is a day 7, the grand finale. I saved the best and special craft for the last day. So subscribe right now so that you don't miss the grand finale. And see you tomorrow. Bye bye.